Okay. Alright, so what I said I was going to do next was back my truck up, plug it in, and test the lights. Make sure the lights work. See, and I need to take that propane tank out, see if that's got any propane in it. Actually, I'll do the propane tank first. Oh, there's no battery. Do I need a battery if it's hooked up to my truck? I don't think so. Alright. Let me go get a wrench so I could take out the propane. There's the Hawk. Before there was a Tiffany Outdoors, there was Tiffany the Farmer.
On a U-turn when possible.
No, we're not U-turning.
Hi. Hi, what are you doing? Hi, baby. What?
I mean, is that really stable? I mean, really. I mean, that's this right here, that screw ain't even in. It's not even, it's loose. I could just do it. Even with my arthritic thumbs, I can unscrew that. So, really gotta test these out and make sure that those are stable. But anyway, back to this tank. Pull that out, see if there's anything in it. Okay, having a hard time. It's all one piece, so I've got to unscrew it from underneath. Had to go get a pair of vice grips. Now I can unscrew this. There's just a wing nut under here. Well, how do you get this thing out? Is it designed not to come out? The regulator's in the way. Alright, yeah, this tank is empty. Alright. I want to see in there. I know you want to see in there. There ain't much of nothing. Just a dirt dauber nest. That's the bolt. And more dirt dauber nest. So that's the regulator there. And I see how it's come up. That seal is broken. You see that? See that gap there? So that's come up some. But let's see if I can look underneath. See, I can't see anything underneath because it goes in there. that metal thing there, and I'm assuming that there's more, like, that must be just the gas line in there. Not sure, but there's a pipe there, and the only way I'll be able to tell is to take that off, which, yeah, I'm gonna need to take that off. Maybe, we'll see. But you see, that's just old silicone. I could, yeah, I'll need to clean that up. I'll clean that up, put some new silicone on there, clean this whole thing out, and then we'll go from there. Alright, y'all, I've got a little scraper and a brush. I'm just going to clean out that one, and that compartment there is for the battery. I don't have a battery yet, but I will get one soon, or one day. Alright, now I'm going to back my truck up and connect the electricity to the 7-way, and let's see if the lights work or not. Alright, what I'm going to do next is turn my truck back on and then walk around and check all of the lights. Alright, so far there's some cracked lenses, and most of the lights are on and working. I need to get some bulbs, and some of the lenses are cracked, and nothing on the inside electrically is working that I can tell. I've tried turning on lights. None of the inside lights work. Could be some of the bulbs are out. I don't know. I need to figure out how to get those little caps off so I can check the bulbs. I think I'll do that now. Let me go check. Alright, I checked one bulb and the bulb was good, so don't know. Could be electrical issues. I guess we'll see when we get into this. Well, I guess what I'll start doing is I brought my little jack stand over here. The guy made that out of some landscape timbers and 1x6 or 1x4 or something. I think that's gonna be, the way that is, it's gonna be too tall for what I'll be doing working wise. So what I'll do is probably get some 4x4 posts and some more wood. It goes crosswise to support this part when I start taking all this apart. The last thing I want is when I take this metal off, I don't want this whole thing to collapse because it's so rotten. So tomorrow I'll go back to Lowe's, I'll probably just get some landscape timbers like what they did. The 4x4 posts are going to be very expensive, so I'll use some, get 2 more, maybe 2 or 3 landscape timbers, and I'll be able to cut them down and then support that right there. And then what I'll start doing is I've already got the bits. I'll start taking these off. May have to start cleaning out, get a knife and start cleaning out the threads for that, and get to it. Alright y'all, stay tuned for the next video. This is going to be a series, so stay tuned. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any episodes. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.